When it comes to making music, I have always loved portable keyboards for their convenience. There's something nice about having an instrument that I can use for when I'm traveling and need something light. In this article, we will break down the best portable keyboards and help you decide which one is best for your needs. In this video we are trying to review top 5 best portable keyboard piano in current market. After spending few weeks we make this list for you. If you like this video, please share this video and click the like button and comments below. Number 1. Casio Tone 61 Key. You can get this portable piano in 3 colors, white, red, and black. Plus, you can individually buy just the keyboard or go for one of the packs it comes in, educational or premium. With the educational pack, you get a complete toolkit that lets you get your hands warmed up and your neural pathways ready and up to date to learn this instrument. With the premium pack, you minus the educational tools, but you do get the remaining adapter, music stand, and a pair of headphones. This is an excellent buy for anyone looking for a reliable digital keyboard, and we're head over heels in love with this one. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want. Number 2. Yamaha YPT270 61 Key. The YTP270 is an excellent, 61-key portable keyboard with hundreds of high-quality sounds, FX kits, drum loops, and more. It's a good fit for musicians from most genres and comes with a smart chord feature that lets you play great-sounding complex chords with a single key. Plus, the quiz mode it comes with makes learning a whole lot easy and more fun. Number 3. Yamaha P45 88 Key. The Yamaha P45 is one of the lightest portable keyboard pianos on the market that has weighted keys. That's one of the main things that brings it to the top of our list. Weighted keys can make a huge difference in playability, so it's a great feature. It's extra impressive that the P45 has them because weighted keys can be quite heavy, but Yamaha chose to equip this piano with the lightest ones out there. All of the portable keyboard pianos on this list are full-size, but it's not a feature to be overlooked either. Those keys are also very responsive, an advantage characteristic of Yamaha pianos. When making this portable keyboard piano, Yamaha definitely didn't sacrifice the responsiveness. With this portable keyboard piano, we also have some concerns with durability. It seems that over a relatively short amount of time, the keys can start to deteriorate. Number 4. Casio SA76. The Casio SA76 is a go-to since it is so light and portable. I like this because it is so small and easy to take with me when I travel. It makes as a perfect gift for kids and also a perfect instrument to take with you on the road. The sounds are surprisingly good for the price range. Don't expect this to blow you away though. It has some nice and warm pad sounds with a couple of decent sounding pianos with an overall total of 100 sounds. The keys are mini, so this is good for portability, but bad if you're looking for something that you can still shred with. Number 5. Yamaha NP12. The Yamaha NP12 is a great option because it has some cool new school technology features. You can use this with your iPhone or iPad to access some great learning apps. You're getting 61 keys with this keyboard and the overall feel is decent. I say decent, only because sometimes people set their hopes way too high for the price they're paying for instruments. It's a good keybed if you look at the price range. It has a power supply, but it can also be powered by 6 AA batteries for about 5 hours of use. When I played the Yamaha NP12, I was really surprised with the sounds, and that's why I put it on this list. For this price, it's a great option,